Okay, so we got the plumbing done this week, and I'll take you on a tour of that. Over here, we'll have our shower, a toilet, and a sink here. This will be the spare bathroom. And then you'll come over here, and this will be the kitchen sink, so this will be the view from the sink. And then you'll come over here, and this will be where the washer and dryer is, and then there'll be a sink right here in front of another window. And then we got the water heater and stuff here. And then if you come back out, this is another toilet.